In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your iPhone calculator history. Now, this is only for the update for the 18.1 iOS, so make sure you just have that. So what you want to do is go over to your calculator, and it's right here. So you just have your basic layout. What you can do now with the new update is go to the three bars at the top left. Go ahead and click that, and this is going to give your actual history. So there's two ways you could do this. You can just hit the edit button at the left and then just choose specific things that you might want to get rid of and then hit delete. Or what you can do is actually just hit clear, and it's going to clear the entire history. So you see here I have a bunch of things on here just to test it out. So what you can do is just hit clear, and it's going to ask you again to clear history, and it can't be undone, so we're just going to do that. And now there is no history on your calculator. So really quick, really easy, and simple to do if you want to clear the history of your calculator. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.